Today I'm going to show you how to draw a tree in a reflection with acrylic paint. All you're going to need for this painting is a canvas or a paper that can handle acrylics, a palette, a number 6 flat brush, a number 4 flat brush, and a number 2 round brush. The paint colors are phthalo blue, permanent green, black, titanium white, and primary red, and also dioxazine purple. You'll also need Q-tips. First, start off by mixing the permanent green with the phthalo blue. Make sure there's a little bit more blue and add some white until it's pretty light. You'll make this nice aqua blue color. Make sure you're using the number 6 flat or the biggest brush you have. Next, paint your aqua blue on the top and make sure that it's 1/4 of the page. Also, get the edges of your canvas so it looks more professional. Add some water if your paint gets a little thick. Now mix the dioxazine purple with white. Make sure it's a little bit more white than purple. Now you should have a light purple color. Go all the way halfway down and make sure it's also 1/4 of the page and blend it into the blue when you finish. If you're struggling to blend the colors together, use some water so they blend in naturally. You have to know that most acrylic colors dry darker, so make sure they're pretty light when you put them on. Now I'm blending the colors together so they look like the sky. Now you should have the aqua and purple blended together perfectly. Now you just want to mix your permanent green with white, no blue, just white. Now paint that at the very bottom of the canvas and make sure you get 1/4 of the canvas. So now you're going to take the phthalo blue and mix it with the white, only white, and make sure it's very light. And mix it up to the halfway point and mix it with the green. But you don't really need to mix it with the purple if you want. Now blend the blue and the green together so you have it mixed pretty nicely. After 2 coats of paint, this is what it should look like, and make sure it's fully dry before the next step. Now you want to draw a tree shape, and then you want to paint it in with some black. And make sure there's a big strip of black across the middle so it looks like land. Then draw another tree on the other side with the blue and green paint. You can use a round number 2 for this step. Make sure the 2 trees look about the same, because they're supposed to be each other's reflections. I made them a little too thick, but make sure you can make them a little bit thinner than mine. Next, take your Q-tips in bunches of 4 and take the primary red paint and dab it onto the tree at the top. If you want to make highlights on the tree, make sure you mix it a little bit with the white and put it in. Now I'm just adding the highlights to the trees with white and a little bit of primary red, with bunches of 3. This is what it should look like when you clean it up with the brush. You can add finishing touches like birds, fences, and people. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.